Good evening, good evening. Welcome. Sorry, I'm just doing a little adjustment here, just making sure everything is good. All right, so welcome to Forex Talk Over Beer. So hopefully everyone is doing great. All right, so let me just figure out something here very quickly. I am streaming from my laptop, so this is not the best. And the lighting is kind of shitty, so I do apologize about that. Um, yeah, when you're on the road, that's what happened. So, hey, no stress. All right, so let me get back here. All right. So welcome, guys. Welcome. Welcome to the new people. I know there's many of you who's going to be watching the replay. That's fine. Make sure you leave a like on the stream. Make sure if you're not subscribed to the channel, to subscribe and activate notification. Before I go further, just can anyone confirm that the sound is loud and clear, please? Let me check the comment here. Can I have one person to confirm that sound is loud and clear? Um, let's see. I just want to make sure because last time I did that on my laptop, I was like 10 minutes into the stream and people were like, man, we cannot hear you. It's like, oh, fuck. So, can anyone confirm that, please? That would be very appreciated. Yeah, sounds good. Perfect. Thank you, Thomas. All right. So, first thing first, let me explain for the new people who's going to be watching the replay or maybe people that are live now. If you're new, welcome. The concept of this show is pretty simple. Basically, we're going to be breaking down trades, answering some Q&As, and yeah, discussing different subjects. And the concept is really simple. We're going to have fun and have a little drink all together. So if you not have your drink right now, boom, go run to the kitchen, grab a drink, come back. Today, I didn't give you the choice on Instagram because this is the only one I was able to grab very quickly. It's down here in Gatineau, this microbrewery called the Cinquième Bar, which is one of the very good microbrewery here in Quebec. So this one is called Hippie Rock, and it's a double New England IPA. So this is the beer I'm going to be drinking with you guys tonight. So first thing first, let's crack up this beer. Let's pour this little baby. All right. Perfect. Yeah, it's in a hotel glass, right? So, in a coffee glass. So hey, man, gotta do what do you want me to do, man? That's the only glass I have here. They don't have like glass, like real glass because of COVID shit. So I should say that word on YouTube. Um, so yeah, so I'm trying to pour very slowly because this kind of glass is whatever. All right, guys. So we're gonna do our official cheers as usual. So if you can take a picture, snap a picture, post it on Instagram, tag my name on it, and I will reshare it. All right. So in 3, 2, 1, cheers, guys. All right. This thing smells so good, it's not even funny. Oh, this is so a 4.5. Like this is really good. Really good. Let me do something very quickly here. Edit stop mic. What's up with mics? Let me just adjust the sound. And you guys tell me if the sound is better or not. Oh yeah, here we go. Let's do this.
1 2 test check. Is the sound better like this? Hopefully the sound is better or worse. I don't know. Let me know if the sound is better or worse. Yeah, this light is not super good. It's too bad. I cannot. Can I do this? Maybe I can turn this like this. Trying to trying to figure out a way to have better lighting. Whatever. Okay. So anyways, so hopefully the sound is better. People are not commenting, so we'll go ahead with this. Hopefully you guys still hear me. All right, so let's move on. So we're gonna start by talking about, since I got my chart right now from the trade for today, we're gonna discuss the trade from today. Um, let's do this right now. Bam. All right. I'm just I'm just worried that you guys, like, I just want to make sure you guys hear me. Do I have to do signs? Can you hear me? All right. Let's see. We got. All right, so all right. Don't forget to smash the like button as you come in, guys. We're gonna get moving here, but I definitely want to confirm if you guys hear me. Can you hear me? Oh, what? What the hell just happened? I got some weird thing going on in my ear right now. Sound is good? Oh yeah, here we go. Perfect. I'm telling you guys, there's something funky going on right now. Okay, so hopefully this stopped. I don't know what just. Man, I'm getting music in my. Hold on. I do apologize, guys. There's something very weird going on right now. I have some music in my iPod.
All right. No audio. Okay, am I back now? Am I back? I do apologize, guys. Streaming from the laptop is not the best. So hopefully you guys can hear me now. Let's see. Now should be good, right? Am I back? Okay, we're back. All right, sorry guys. I do apologize. All right, so let me jump into that chart right now. All right, so right now I'm not seeing the comment because I'm streaming with my laptop, so that's the only screen I have. So I will go back to the comments right after this breakdown. So let's talk about GA. Okay, so let's talk about GA first. All right, so first of all, let's take a look at the daily. Okay, so when we came to the chart, we know that, and I'm doing this all this without a mouse, so that's even worse. All right, so price came down over here, right? We created a low. Price came back up. We failed on creating a new high. We didn't broke structure, right? But we did a double top. So here, this was crazy on the daily. Not crazy, but scary because we thought that we were coming back down. But we did fail here on creating a lower low. So we created a high low. If you see here, high lows, high lows. We got a nice engulfing candle. So we can expect price to continue up, right? So this was the thinking about it. So I was looking for buys, and the only, not the only, but the other thing also I was looking at is if you look on the weekly, if you look on the weekly time frame, if you place your fib from here to here, you respected the safety net and ready to go, right? So I can expect price to at least go to 382 before rejecting, or going to eventually like retest this high and continue higher, right? So this was my thinking this morning. So now dropping down to the 4 hour time frame. So dropping down to the 4 hour time frame. Here we go. So we had this zone here. This zone right after 84,000 was very strong. And we finally broke it. That was yesterday around 1 a.m. So we finally had a retest and we definitely pushed up, right? So now trying to find an entry in this because price is just pushing up. So how are we going to get in this momentum? So now you got to go on lower time frame. So let's drop to the 1 hour. All right. So now we got 1 hour time frame, right? Let's do this. Sorry, guys. It's very not easy without a mouse. I forgot my mouse. So anyways, so price pushed up. So I was able to place my fib here on H1 and we had this golden zone. Golden zone got respected. We had a nice engulfing candle closing right above this QP right here, the 750 QP and this previous resistance that was right here. And if you look to the left, you also have another resistance there. So this level was very important to be broken. The problem is I was trying to get an entry before that, but the problem, if you look on 30 minutes, it was like doji, doji. And finally, we had this candle at 8 a.m. The problem is now, if I enter here, I am like literally 7 pips away from resistance, which, yes, you can expect volume to break it down, but it was still, early. This was 8 a.m. This was the 8:30 a.m. So, yes, it would be good to take it and expecting volume to break it, but I was trying to play safe. I already had like a smaller loss on GJ because I took an early trade. So I was like, if I'm getting in a trade now, it needs to be a winner. So I need to wait. So this candle actually did close right above. And this candle right here, if you look on 4 hours, this was, wait a second. Yeah. So this was the 4 hour high. Let me zoom in so you guys can see. Right? So you see right here. So what I wanted to is break the high of this 4 hour candle and expect price to push up. So my stop was placed on the lower time frame. I placed it above the 30 minute, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, above the previous 30 minute, expecting price to continue up, broke the high. And even if it was a tiny wick, I told my student just before closing the stream, I was looking at the formation of this candle, how it started. It started to go down a little bit and start to push back up. But this candle right here was pushing so hard at the end that I was like, I told exactly that to my students. Like, even if there's not a big tail, I will be willing to get in that trade on the break of the high. And the reason why it's because there's a big bullish momentum, and I have this feeling that this shit's gonna shoot up. And this is exactly what I told my students. You can ask any one of them, and they will tell you exactly what I said. So anyway, so long story short, price did broke the high. My first target was right here. Right here, the 85,000 major QP. This is where I did secure my first 50%. And there was so much volume that I decided to wait, and I secured another 50% right here at this zone, and I secure all my profits at 55 pips total. Actually, sorry, 54. Yeah. The reason why is I was very happy with the profit. I didn't feel to be greedy, and I knew that this zone can be problem, right? And exactly what happened, actually did reject and start to go down. It actually after that went up, but hey, I'm good with it. So this one was a nice. The runner went to 54 pips profit, secured a bag, and ciao ciao. So yeah, that was an amazing trade, to be honest. Not complicated, have to be honest. Like, this was not complicated. This shit that we execute on like day in day out. So I don't know, let's see if we have any question about that trade. Let me go back to comments. All right, so let's see. We can hear you. Okay, perfect. You Mark would have been okay. What's up, Rages? Okay, okay. FOMO entry. FOMO entry? Oh no, not at all. Let's see. Am I missing okay, perfect. Here. Yes, East French. GA was the trade of the day, if you ask me. Oh yeah, this GA trade was sick. So yeah, any question about that GA trade, guys? Hey, cheers. Don't forget to smash the like button. Let me go to see how many likes. Oh, what the hell, guys, man? What's up with that? Yeah, what's up, man? The like button is defect or something? Smash that like button, guys. Hey, cheers. All right, so let's go to I don't see any question. So let's move on to GJ. So let's move on to GJ. GJ was a little rocky this morning. So I got trapped in a GJ in a GJ buy. Yeah, in a GJ buy. So Mark actually did an amazing trade on GJ this morning. He jumped on earlier than me. I was not on. I was really mad at him. You know, I gave him a pretty nice trade the day before, and he didn't want to share this trade today. So I'm just fucking around with him. But yeah. So, anyways, so long story short, let me grab the arrow here. All right. So if you look like at 5:30 here, to be honest, this is the kind of setup I would be in that trade right here at the opening of this candle. If I was trading at that time, and usually I am, but lately for the past couple months been waking up later because I mean there's no move happening earlier. So but if you can see like price went up, create a new high, and we know that price needs to come down, form support to continue up. This is exactly what it did. Nice engulfing candle, closing above 250. This was the ideal setup. I will be like full risk on that one. No problem putting stuff right under this candle and let it run. It would be an amazing trade. But I wasn't awake. So what happened after that is we finally have a break retest of the 250 level, which was a zone also right here. So we got a break retest. We got a nice engulfing candle right here. I decided to take the entry right here, the opening of the candle. After that wick was formed. So wick was formed and start to push up, and I took the entry as soon as we flipped bullish. I took the entry. It went like a couple pips in profit, and after that, bam, closed doji. I decided to hold the trade because it was a write-off candle for me. And after that, this candle closed bearish. So I was like, well, small body candle. So I waited. And as soon as this candle broke the low here, this is where I got out. So it was like 11 pips out. And yeah, that's it. So minus 11 pips here on GJ. But again, you know, I should have guess hold it. I know there's a couple students who actually hold the trade and was actually able to secure a profit. When we tap this level right here at 500, this is where I told my students, if you're still in that trade, secure profits because this QP can reject hard. So this is exactly what happened. We rejected, find this candle, finally broke. We had a nice double top here and price melted after that. So, but what I did though is I gave that trade a second chance. So what happened? So again, if you look, same kind of setup as GJ. If you look on 4 hour, so basically waited to break. Where is it? What was it on 1 hour? It was the 9 a.m. candle. Oh yeah, this one. Yeah, right here. Let me get the price that I got in. Give me one sec, guy. Here we go. That should be right here. 8492. Right here. So this was my entry, 92. Let's put it here. 9-2. God damn. Short position, buy position. Here we go. So 9-2. Well, whatever. 9-3. That's fine. Stop was right here. And my target was actually this TP. This QP, sorry. So, anyways, so price went up like 12 pips profit. Actually went a little bit more, went 13 pips profit. I decided to secure at 12. It was just beside my 15 pips profit. So I was like, oh man, come on, hit it, hit it, hit it. So I did only secure 50% at 12 pips, and the rest got stopped at break even. So that's a bummer. But hey, that was still profit, right? So but yeah, so now after this candle, though, it was looking very nice. Double top, like nice shorts, but I was out. I was gone for to see some customer. Um, so yeah, so that was the three trades that I took today. So hopefully that can help some people. We're gonna discuss about Monday, I guess, and let's see if we have any question. Let's see, do we have any question? Hey, cheers, guys. Spinning the facts, yeah. All right, so let's grab Trixie. I need to share my Trixie. So share, stop screen, share again, Chrome tab, Trixie. There we go. There we go. So now you should see my Trixie. Oh, where's my trade from yesterday? Oh no, what's a bummer? I didn't save it? All right, so let's talk about Monday then. All right, so let's talk about that GJ buy. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. All right, so let's talk about the GG buy. First off, let's go on 4 hours. All right, so if you look at 4 hours, we are trying to get out of this zone, right? So we had two consolidation zones. Let me grab an arrow. Arrow. Where is my arrow? Where's all the favorites, actually? Where's my favorite? My toolbar. That's weird. Where's my toolbar? It's like all my settings are gone. First, let's do black. Let's do there we go. Perfect. Sorry, guys. Okay, let's do this again. Okay, perfect. Sorry. All right, so we finally had this candle right here closing. This is not the right time. But yeah. So, anyways, long story short, we had a consolidation zone. We had another consolidation zone. We got 4 hour right now. At this time, closing engulfing candle, we can expect price to push up, especially that price was in EH4 golden zone right here. So now I was looking at this candle and just waiting to break the H4 high at this moment and go with the momentum. And it actually played out pretty nicely. Once again, the break of the H4 high is usually pretty good if you drop down to 1 hour. So you'll see more details about it. But yeah, it was just super rangy, super rangy. Took the trade just based on H4, and write it up, right? So that's it. So again, same freaking setup. Nothing fancy. Yeah, this one is not exciting. Nothing very special about it. But hey, let's try to see if we can get. Where's the GA trade? The GA trade was a little bit more complicated, if I remember correctly. This was on Monday. Oh yeah, okay. So once again, let's go see the 4 hour time frame. All right, so yeah, this one was more special. Okay. So this one is something I really like. This is my kind of setup. I love this setup. Let me grab the arrow once again. All right, I really like this. So basically, if you look here on the left side, okay, always look left. This is something I always tell my people, look left to see what happened. So if you look left, when price was coming down in this area, what happened? We hit that level and we rejected pretty hard. So I was expecting price to come down, visit this level, and rejected pretty hard. This is exactly what we did. We actually did double bottom and pushed up. But before that, we had a nice support form. Nice rejection here. If you see that tail, we rejected this previous support pretty hard. We closed bullish. So I was like, all right, that's interesting. That is interesting. Let me go check on the lower time frame if I can find an entry. All right, so let's go see on the 1 hour. So if you look at 1 hour right here, 5, 6, 7, that would be on the 30-minute, I guess. Give me 1 sec here. Yeah, perfect. I'm missing one zone here. Yeah, missing one zone. Had a zone right here, right? So basically, finally I have a break. We had a retest, and we had this candle closing right above the range, a tiny bit above this resistance. So I was like, all right, that sounds pretty good. So I'm gonna wait just to break the high. So I waited for this wick to form. We broke the high on this candle, sorry, at 7:30 a.m. Yeah, right here. So this one, I waited for price to come down and break the high and enter. I think actually, wait a second. I don't want to confuse the guys. I entered on the H1. Yeah, exactly. That's what I thought. So we had this amazing support form on H1. After that, we got this doji candle. And finally, we got this candle coming down and finally breaking the high right here. I took it after the retracement. We actually broke the high, and when I entered, it was retracing a little bit. So that's why my entry was a little better. But hey, that's I'm not going to complain, right? So stop was above the previous candle. And yeah, man, was just aiming for the next major QP. Eventually, full TP got hit, but I didn't hold that long. I did actually secure, I think this one was around 20-ish pips, if I remember correctly. I would have to go check my screenshot. But yeah, this one was a little more advanced, I would say. The reason why is this was based on experience on something I saw before. If you look left, this is something I saw, when we reject this area, pushed hard. So it's like when we saw this nice, amazing bullish candle rejection of this level, it's like, all right, we're going to start to push back up. And this is exactly what happened. So yeah, this is when you start trading always the same pair over and over again. I mean, you'll start to notice some stuff, right? So that's one of those things. Let me go see the comments. Let's see. Do we have any questions here? Cheers, guys. Any questions, guys? Man, you guys are quiet on question this morning, tonight. What's up with that? Are you guys still awake or what? Wake up, guys! All right, what time is it? 6:30. All right. So hopefully that helps some people. If you have any question, let me know. You still have like 2 minutes to let me know. Actually, 1 minute. All good. Awesome, William. So tomorrow morning, don't forget, tomorrow morning we're gonna stream live. I guess I'm gonna try to stream live. Uh, tomorrow, we'll cross fingers that it works, but I'll try. Tomorrow morning, 6:30 ish. On YouTube. I'll see you there, guys. Thank you very much for joining tonight. And I'll see you tomorrow morning. Take care, guys.